Good morning, my students. Today we are going to do some revision on statistic data. Unit 4, Statistics. Let's find out the kinds of statistic data. We have two kinds, descriptive data and quantitative data. If he questions me the kinds of statistic data, we have two kinds, descriptive data and quantitative data. Quantitative, that means we have a number, which means some quantity like money, like length, weight, and so on. Descriptive, we have some information which we can't do addition or subtraction. Let's see letter B. The first place, the place we have born in, which is descriptive data. Letter C, the age is age. We have some questions on ratios. As we know, we will do simplify with years and months, days, week, and so on. So the age is a quantitative data. Blood type is a descriptive data, and the length is a quantitative data. Question 2, choose the correct answer. Space is one of the descriptive data. Which of these is a descriptive data? Weight, mark of student, favorite color, the tallest. All these are quantitative, except we want the descriptive, which is favorite color. Letter B, from the quantitative data is favorite color, birth place, blood type, age. It's age. Letter C, the following data are descriptive except means that we want a quantitative data. Favorite food, social case, birth place, weight. Of course, it's weight. Letter D, the following data are quantitative except we want a descriptive data. Temperature, degree, tallness, address, weight. Address. Complete the following. First question, the range equals space minus space. Range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value, or we may say maximum value minus minimum value. Let's see question 2. If the values of a frequency distribution lie between 10 and 90, that means that the minimum value is 10 and maximum is 90. Maximum value is 90. So the range of the distribution will be maximum minus minimum. 90 minus 10, it will be 80. Greatest value, this is the definition. Greatest or maximum value minus the smallest or minimum. Question 2, 10 and 90, it will be 90 minus 10 equals 80. Question 3, the range of the values, we have some values which are 5, 2, 9, 6, and 4. He asked me about the range. Range equal maximum, which is 9, minus minimum, which is 2. 9 minus 2, it will be it will be 7. 9 minus 2 equals 7. If the range of a frequency distribution is 34, we have the range equals 34, and the lowest value, which is the minimum, is 45. Then the highest value is, he asked me about the maximum or highest value. So we have to do add between the range and the lowest value. It will be 34 plus 45 equals 79. If you ask me about the maximum value, we will do addition between the range and minimum. Question 2, if 87 is the greatest individual of a set, the greatest value and the range equals 39. So the range is 39 and 87 is the maximum or greatest value. So he asked me about the smallest individual of this set equals minimum value or smallest value we have to do subtraction to find it. 87 minus 39. To find the minimum value or the smallest value, we will do 87 minus 39, which equal 48. Quantitative data distributed in the sets 5 to 15 to 25 to 35 to and so on. These are the sets we have. Then the length of each set will be, we'll look at the sets. Every time the set increases by 10, so the length of the set will be 10, and we do it by subtracting any two consecutive sets. 15 minus 5, 25 minus 15, 35 minus 25, all of these will give us the length, which will be 10. 35 minus 25, 25 minus 15, and so on. It will be equals 10. This is the length. If we divide the marks of the set of pupils into 5 sets, so the marks into 5 sets will be divided, and the range of these marks is 40. We have the range, and the number of sets will be 5. So the length of the sets, we do division. 40 divided 5 to find the number of to find the length of a set, it will be the range divided the number of sets. 40 divided 5 equals 8. Now let's graph this frequency table, distribution table, and he asked me to draw the frequency polygon. Sets 10 to 22, 32, 42, and 52. In our graphlets, on the horizontal axis, we set the sets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we increase it by another one, which is 60. Every time it increases by 10, so we will write 60. And the frequencies we have, look at the table. The frequency is its greatest value is 12. We want to reach 12. It must be graded. Table 1, table 2, table 5. We want to reach number 12, so we find this by grade of table 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Now put the points but in the center of the sets. That means 10 to, this is a set, we want the center between it and the next set, which will be 15. We can find it in the middle between them, or 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 equals 30, divided by 2 it will be 15. So the middle will be the center at 15. And put the point for a frequency of 5, the 15 and the 5. In the horizontal, 15 will be between 10 and 20, 15 in the middle, for the value of 5 in the vertical line axis. Each time we put the point on the center between sets, 25, 35, 45, and 55. 25 for the value of 7, 25, 7. 35 for the value of 12, 35 and 12. 45 and 9, 55 and 7. 45 is 9, 55 with 7. And join the points with a curve line. Don't use the ruler. It must be using handwriting to do a curve. This is the frequency curve of the mark of pupils. In the question he asked me about the frequency polygon. No, it's a curve, frequency curve, not frequency polygon, frequency curve. Thanks my boys and good luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.